World, I got a new update. Whoa, there's a crystal. What the? Yo, there's a crystal. What the? Why is there a crystal here? So weird. Okay, wait, let's read the message of the day. The lots of leaves stuttering. The lots of leaves update is here. Maps are decked out. The turkey leg is back, and mines are back. Not leaving anytime soon. Try the new Beetle Bounce game in the arcade and explore the new rotate map. Don't leave it too late. Okay, check out the cosmetics. Alright, let's check out the cosmetics. I think the one out here. Yeah, this changed. Lots of leaves. Is this a leaf blower? Yo, it's a leaf blower cosmetic. What? Wait, it's actually sick. It's actually Sigma. Yo. Yo, what? Yo, they move. Huh? Oh, this is the free badge. Gotta get it. Pom-poms. A whole cheerleader fit. Bro, Gorilla Tech's calling all cheerleaders right now. What is it? Yo, it's like a sticky hand. Oh, wait, it's one of these things. Let's see if I can get it in. Okay, I can't. Oh, this is like a turkey I've eaten. No, no, that's probably the most zesty thing like that. See if I can get full red. Nah, I'm gonna break my neck doing that. Oh no, bro, I have a mullet now. No! Free battery, gotta buy this. What? The shirt moves. Yo, it's the first Gorilla Tech moving shirt. And the hat moves too. Those are all the old cosmetics, I think. Okay, let's check. Let's see. Let's just double check if they're. What? Yo, what's over there? What? Okay, so all of this is. These are new. That is new. That's it. But it's just like simple stuff. I bet you can eat them. Yo, new sweatbands? New sweatbands? It's like these like jackets. And it's like an Italian. Calling out Italians to Gorilla Tag. A green jock sweater. I don't know what country that would be. This. It's like lightning in a planet, I think, and LGBTQ sweatband, and then this is just all black, like literally everything. Cut my life into peace. This is Brazilian. I don't know, but all right, I'm gonna check out. What do I check out next? Here, I'll check out caves. These it looks like caves. Gotta. Wait, is this a new map? Hold on. Yo. Oh my. These are OG caves. Yo, this is sick. This is actually sick, bro. It has like RTX on it. Did anything change though? Dude, I bet so many people are gonna be playing in here now. Dude, this is gonna be so much scarier. Okay, well, I'm getting creeped out. I'm leaving. Yo, I'm actually getting creeped out. I should have filmed this with someone else. When I saw it was a caves update. Whoa, wait, that's different. Whoa. Can you go in between these? Dude, you can. This is so cool. Oh, dude, this is also creepy, bro. But you know, a ton of people are just gonna be playing it just because it's new. But I like it though. I like it. It gives like abandoned Subway Surfers vibes. You can grab onto these. I'm in the fence. And then, well, this is different. Another map? Yo, this is like hidden map. Huh? Am I in like a plant cell or something? Yo, you can grab like these poles. That's so weird. It's also kind of like a slide. And then there's just a light at the bottom. Dude, this is so weird. It makes me feel like I'm in the quantum zone or something. Whatever Ant-Man does. Okay. Why is it so hard to get out from with the ladders? Alright, so that's gonna wrap up the video. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post another video.